Yeah, hello. Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Yesterday, I had a little conversation with my missing friend, and he was saying that he doesn't need any mathematics in his line of work. He can build, he can plaster, he can lay blocks for a living. He doesn't care about what pi and radius of things have to do for him. So mathematics is not something that he will live by. And I was asking him, does it measure his building, as in if he's about to set up a new building? He said yes. That is the mathematics there. He has forgotten that when you clear the land and you are going to mark out the rooms, you will measure. The measurement must be taken into consideration. That's mathematics. He said, oh, that one, those days, even our forefathers know how to measure. I said, okay, no problem. Now, you remember that the blocks that he's using is having inches in size. We have 4 inches block, 5 inches block. He said, yes. I said, why do you think we have difference? We don't have blocks that are just molded with irregular measurement. So we cannot call it 4 inches or 5 inches. It's just blocks, just like stones. He said he wants it to be nice. That's a measurement, makes it to be nice. Still, he has not buy into the idea that mathematics is used in there. So I asked him, if in case he want to tiles a room, and let's just say the room is measured, right? Length and breadth. So let's say we are having 24 by something like 54. This is the measurement of the room. This could be the breadth, this could be the length. So how long the room is 54 in centimeters or in meters. Then this is going to be the breadth. So okay, yes, he has encountered rooms that have dimensions, various dimensions. Okay. Now, in this dimension, then I want you to lay a tiles in that room, this particular room. I don't want to waste any of the tiles. Tell me the number of tiles I'll go into the market and buy so that I can lay it in this room, not even a pinch of the tiles being broken away. He was there looking to my face. He said, you have to do this, have to do this. At the end, he mentioned a lot of numbers that he think you can buy. And upon calculations, some is over the number of tiles for this room and some are under. So I'm asking him, that does he know that he can apply the concept of highest common factor that he has been learning, those class 6, GSS and all those things, highest common factor, to be able to do a correct estimate so that there will be no wastage of material or there will be no underestimate of material. He was looking to my face. I was okay. I know that if I want to find the number of tiles I'll buy, I just have to take into consideration what will be the size of the tiles that I'm going to lay. Their tiles also have different sizes. Some are big, small, and all those things. All right. Then I can be able to find the highest common factor. You know, the highest common factor of this is just to find a number that can divide these two numbers evenly, right? And for the purpose of this, I'm going to just give you the highest common factor of 24 and 54, which will be what? 6. Okay, so this is the highest common factor. Meaning I need a square tiles that is measure what? 6. Let me just apply the dimensions so that we will not get confused. So this is going to be, do you see that? So this is the tiles that I have. So I want to find out how many of these tiles can be used to lay the room that is measured 24 centimeters by what? 54. And you can see that what this is going to occupy a small area, right? An area comes to your mind. Calculation of area of a square. That is what? The length times length. Meaning I'm going to have what? 36 centimeters square. This one tiles will be covering 36 centimeters square of the room. Then what is the whole area of the room? That simply means that I am multiplying these two numbers, and if you multiply, you should be having 1296. This will be centimeters square. So the whole room is going to be this dimension. Then one tiles is taking this dimension. So how many of these tiles will I buy? Simply put, I will have my 1296 centimeter square divided by what? 36 centimeter square. So if you put that on your calculator, 1296 divided by 36, that will give you what? 36 what? Times. And he was then looking into my face that, yes, really, he has no other defense to put up, because this will show that I will just buy 36 tiles, lay it, of course, with no designs. If you are going to do a design, after cutting it, that pieces will also be used again. When we say no wastage, doesn't mean that you will not cut it. If you want to do a design, you can cut, but as you are cutting, the pieces can also fit into another place. So 36 tiles will be used to just tile this room completely. So the next time you want to argue that mathematics is not used anywhere, begin to think of your defense. What can I be able to use as my defense? Mathematics is applied in everyday life. Most of the things that we are doing, even you watching me on this device, it is a mathematical algorithm that make it possible for you to be able to watch this video where I am right here in Ghana at Shama, and you're wherever you are watching this video is by the algorithm, mathematical calculations. So don't forget, mathematics is used every day in our life. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.